Hello and welcome to another studio vlog. So today I've been having a little bit of a reset day. I finished that painting there yesterday, the second one in my Australian Birds series, and that painting was quite the process. It left me with a huge mess. I think I used every single paint palette that I own, and I had paint everywhere, so I've been cleaning up, tidying up my studio and my house in general, and everything just feels really good right now. And it's a lovely day outside, and I've been out enjoying the sunshine in the garden, and I've been planting some new seeds, and now I'm back inside and I feel that I should really be focusing on editing this vlog and all of the videos from the month. So May has been a pretty big month. There's been a lot happening. I've got a lot of editing to do. I've got the process videos for those two paintings to share. I've got a little bit of a garden update if you're into that. If you're not, you probably shouldn't be here. May is our anniversary month, so there's a couple of little weekend adventures to throw in there. It's just a really beautiful time of year here, coming into winter, and I've been hanging outside a lot with my camera, just enjoying life, probably not being as productive as I could have been. I actually have a little quote or passage that I want to read to you. It's by a writer that I adore, and it really just captures all that this month has been and all that I want every month to be. So this is a little note to myself more than anything for future me. It says, "All that really matters in life is feeling good, is being alive to your life while you have it. There is always going to be hardship or circumstances outside of our control, or unwieldy emotions or demands on our time and attention. But we must not wait for life to slow down, to slow it all down. We must demand that it does. We must carve out little pockets of joy in our ordinary days. We must find sunshine. We must learn to rest without feeling guilt about resting. It's so important to know what makes you feel good, to know what you must do each day to keep yourself feeling well. We must stop glamorizing, neglecting our well-being as a sacrifice for more achievement, to consume more, to have more, to be insatiable. We must recognize that life is happening now, whether we're noticing it or not. And if we don't take time out of the frantic nature of life to stop, pause, enjoy, savor, slow down, then a day becomes a week, becomes a month, becomes a whole life missed. Notice your life, be alive to it all. Stop waiting for the savoring. You've done enough. Enjoy it for a while." Alright, you win. Yeah, you're way better. And now you're just showing off. might be the day that I finally get the first painting in my Australian Bird series finished. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. I do have a tendency to underestimate the time that these things will take me. And this bird painting it's already been quite an adventure. I've been having a bit of a style crisis, can I say? Basically, I have a natural inclination to paint photorealistically. I find it kind of easy to copy a photo, and I have this intention to have a more painterly and playful style, and those two things are they've been at war, and there's been this really awkward tension come to this painting as I try to break away from painting so realistically and inject a little bit of personality and playfulness into the painting. So that has been a struggle. There's been lots and lots of layers of paint, especially in the foliage. Anyway, today might be the day I get there and finish. There's still quite a lot to go, but I do have the foliage kind of finalized. I need to put in a little bit more detail. And I've got the base layer down on this kookaburra, so I just need to start working and blending and then adding some detail and finalizing his feathers. Well, I don't think I'm going to get this finished today. What a surprise. I think I need to have a break because my neck is absolutely killing me. And my back. Really, kind of painful when you spend your whole day in this kind of a position. So I'm not going to get it quite finished today. I've still got to work down in here and then add in one final layer of all the highlights, a little bit more detail in places, a few touch-ups. So maybe tomorrow is my day. You broke it. Yeah, you broke the camera. Come on. I needed some garden inspiration, so I went on a little permaculture garden tour. It was really beautiful and I learnt so much, and it gave me just the motivation and inspiration that I needed to get back to work in the garden, which has been a little bit neglected over the hot summer months while I was really busy with client work.
And you always want to watch that when you're growing plants that their primary purpose isn't food. They should be easy plants. They shouldn't be things that self-sow and come up everywhere. They shouldn't be things that run everywhere. They should be things you can manage quite easily.